Hi, everybody. It is 10:30. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Today, I'm going to be covering using the iPad on Intuit Field Service Management. Um, you can, of course, use an Android device as well. I just wanted to review the teamwork section on the iPad, and what that allows you to do from your Apple device is, as a technician, you could pick up a work order that was not assigned to you and assign it to yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. I hit the square with the arrow through it, and now I'm going to hit teamwork. And I'm going to go into the unassigned category here, where I see there's 9. And I see all of these work orders that are waiting to get picked up, and they are all preventative maintenance work orders. I can see PM because of the checklists that are listed. So I'm going to pick this one here, and it says it's unassigned, and I'm going to go ahead and if I simply hit pick up and start, I can assign that work order to myself, or I can go down to here under text, under unassigned, and I can just assign a technician from the list that way. So if I wanted to give it to myself, I believe I am logged in, let's see, as Chris. So just hitting the square with the arrow through it again and going to teamwork, and then going to unassigned, choosing any of these work orders, and I can come down to here and I can pick my name from the list, Chris Hawkins, and I can hit make primary and hit save. And now that will be in my queue. And I can see that the status has changed from unassigned to waiting for pickup. So if I come back to the My Work section, I can see the waiting for pickup now. I have 2. And one of those is that PM that I just created and assigned for myself. So it's very handy if you do have preventative maintenance. It allows you to, the system, Intuit Field Service Management, will create reoccurring work orders for you, and then your technicians can go and grab them if they want to fill up their schedule. So now I can just simply hit pick up and start, and I can get to work, and I can finish this checklist here. And then I'm going to note that I completed it. I'm going to use my voice microphone to speak in what I did. I completed the checklist for this preventative maintenance work order period. I was on site for 1 hour period. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit continue and complete. And that's it. At this point, it's going to come back to the browser under the completed section. And it's going to be right on top for us. And then you can go ahead and add your, this is the office now. And I'm going to then add my labor, and maybe I have a preventative maintenance line item. And I'm just going to add my rate there, because I do leave my rate blank because it does change according to what I do. And now I'm going to approve it and hit save. And now QuickBooks will take it. So you can open up your if you've got QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Online will take that once you hit approved. But if you've got QuickBooks Desktop, then you're going to synchronize it by going to File, Intuit Field Service Management, Synchronize. And then it'll come right over, and you'll see the invoice come over without a green paid stamp. So this synchronization takes about a few minutes every single day, and most of my customers run it once a day. All right, so I'll just wait for this box to come up here. And Corrigo is the name of the company that created Intuit Field Service Management for Intuit. Corrigo would do the technical support. And you can get technical support from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday. And they are also available by appointment over email at support@corrigo.com. And of course, working with me as your single point of contact, I am available Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Central Standard Time. And now you can see that invoice that we just took in the field is going to come right over. Okay. And I'm going to bring up my information on the screen so you can contact me if you're interested in purchasing Intuit Field Service Management or learning more. There is my office number, and it's also included in the description of the YouTube video. And here's my email, rebecca@fieldserviceadvisors.com. Thank you so much. I'm a qualified solutions provider with Intuit, and I specialize in Intuit Field Service Management. Have a fantastic day, and thank you so much for watching. You can tune in next time on every Wednesday at 10:30 Central Standard Time.